Hi, good morning everyone. This is your Ratsa and I'm back here with your mathematics class. Today is 25th November 2020. My dears, in our last video we have done question number 2 of exercise 8.3 and today we are going to start question number 3. So let's read the question first. Okay, let's read the question. Fabina borrows rupees 12,500 at 12% per annum for 3 years at simple interest. So Fabina borrows some money like 12,500 at the rate 12% for 3 years at simple interest, not compound interest. And Radha borrows the same amount, 12,500, for the same time period. That means for 3 years, rate is 10% per annum compounded annually. Radha borrows compound interest. Now who pays more interest and by how much? We have to find that. So here there are two cases. One is Fabina and Radha. Fabina is borrowing a money in simple interest, whereas Radha is borrowing a money in compound interest. We have to find out whose interest is more. Okay, let's start with the first person, that is Fabina. So the principal of Fabina is 12,500. Rate is 12% and time is 3 years. We have to find simple interest because Fabina is borrowing the sum in simple interest. So simple interest SI is equals to principal into rate into time by 100. So principal is 12,500, rate is 12 and time is 3. Divide by 100. 0 0 cancels. Now by multiplying this 3 we get 4,500. So this is the simple interest of Fabina. Now we have to find the compound interest for Radha, isn't it? So for compound interest we don't have a direct formula. First you have to find the amount. So this principal is same, time is same, only rate is 10% in this case. Now the amount in case of compound interest, amount is principal into 1 plus rate by 100 to the power n means time. So let's substitute the values. Principal is same, 12,500, rate is 10% and the time is 3 years. Now let's reduce 0 and 0. So we get 10. So 10 into 1, 10 plus 1, 11 by 10. Exponent is 3. Okay, you know how to calculate. So 11 by 10 how many times? 3 times. So we have written 3 times in the next step. Now we'll reduce 2 zeros, 2 zeros. Okay, now if you see here, if you multiply 125 into 11 into 11 into 11, we'll get this much. You have to multiply near of, we'll get 1,66,375 and one denominator 10 is remaining. Now if you remove this 10, decimal will come before one digit. Okay, point will come before one digit. So the amount is this much. So actually the question is not asking me the amount, question is asking me whose interest is more, whether the simple interest is more or the compound interest. Now we have got the amount, we have to find the compound interest. Compound interest is amount minus principal. Amount just now we have got minus principal is 12,500. After subtracting we get 4,137.5 and the simple interest is 4,500. So see, simple interest is more or the compound interest? Yeah, simple interest is more, isn't it? After this, now let's move down further. if you see here properly, you can find simple interest 4500 is greater than compound interest, that is 4137.5. Therefore, if simple interest is more, who is paying more? Simple interest is Fovina. So Fovina pay more interest. Sorry, it's not the, it's then. More interest than Radha by, you have to subtract this to 4500 minus this is 362.5. Okay, are you clear? Okay, let's move to the next question.